Alright guys, I still think there's a lot of questions about what Bill C12 is and how it will affect the asylum claim process, so let's talk about it. Let's reintroduce Bill C12. So essentially the Bill C12 is an immigration legislation, also called the Stronger Border Act, which essentially it's meant to make the borders stronger. But it has immigration aspects in there too. One of the biggest immigration elements that it has is that it is going to create a lot of limitation to the asylum process in Canada. One of the biggest changes that it will make is that if you have an incomplete application and claim, it will not move forward to the Refugee Protection Division. It must be complete and verified. Second, and this is a huge one, if you've been in Canada for longer than a year, after June 24th, 2020, your application will not move to the Refugee Protection Division. You might be eligible for the pre-removal risk assessment, but not for the asylum claim, and that has issues on its own. Next, if you've entered Canada through the land border of US and Canada, you must make your claim within 14 days. If you do not, then you are not eligible for the asylum process. Now, there are other limitations being introduced both in the asylum process and in the immigration process, including more powers to IRCC and CBSA officers. Those are some things I've already talked about that you guys can check out my videos. I will definitely talk more about them here.